Look what we're doing with Sis'Bongo, multilingual mind journey with Sis'Bongo.
Mala chami, mala, 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 mala chami. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that I adore. And love was made for me and you, Charlie.
I love you so much.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that I adore. And love was meant for me and you. Aww. Today's special episode is created in partnership with Mhagic, Mental Health Awareness and Guidance for Indigenous Communities. And this is a special shout out to our wonderful friends at Frida Hartely Shelter. Malachomi. You know that love is just like a seed, Chomi. A seed just like umbeu, growing beautifully. And each life, like umpilo, holds goodness like okuhle. We're like daisies, unique and valuable, bringing brightness like Adana everywhere. Now, think of gentle kindness like Benjamin, steady guidance like Ruth, and brave curiosity like Sailor. Now, picture calm, beautiful serenity like Lindiwe, and joyful smiles like Emihle. Each a special blessing. Everyone, Chomi, is precious like Nobile, filled with gentleness like Lindo, and laughter like Ubusi. Now, remember, every story needs hope like Utendi and freedom like Unkululeko. Never forget, Chomi, you matter. Your story matters, and you are deeply loved, Chomi. Sis'Bongo ukuthanda kakhulu, Chomi. Chomi, do you know what a heart is in IsiXhosa? Yes, Chomi. A heart in IsiXhosa is ihliziyo. Say it. Ihliziyo. A heart in IsiXhosa, Chomi, is ihliziyo, Chomi. So, Chomi, let's all draw a heart in the air. Masizobe inhliziyo. Yo, I love drawing hearts, Chomi, because I love you so much, Chomi. Chomi, can you say I love you? Let's say it together in English. I love you. Now let's say it in IsiXhosa. Ndiyakuthanda. Ndiyakuthanda. I love you, Chomi. Yeah, Chomi, I love you. Not Nini, not, I don't have small love. Ndikuthanda kakhulu, Chomi.
One,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Chomi, do you know how to say friend in IsiXhosa? Yes, Chomi, it's Sis'Bongo's favorite word. Chomi. Chomi. A friend is also a chomi. But there's another Xhosa word, chomi. Yo, and this one is a big word. And it is umhlobo. Umhlobo. A friend is umhlobo, chomi. Umhlobo. Can you say it? Yay! Good job, chomi. Wenze kakuhle. Chomi, to love myself, another thing that I love to do is to play. Play in IsiXhosa is dlala. Dlala. Play is dlala. If you want to say to your friend, Chomi or Mhlobo, come play with me, you say, Mhlobo, iza uzodlala nam. Iza means come, dlala means play, nam means with me. Iza uzodlala nam. Iza uzodlala nam. That's how you say Chomi okanye Mhlobo, come play with me. You say Mhlobo izodlala nam okanye uthi Chomi izodlala nam. Whoa! Chomi, do you know where we are? Let's see, masijonge, where we are. I see a tree, umthi. I see a lot of trees, imithi emininzi. So we must be in a Chomi, we must be in a forest. Forest. Ehlathini. What are we doing ehlathini, Chomi? Oh! We are going to learn about opposites. Opposites is chasi. Opposites. Chomi, the opposite is ichasi for big. Big is small. Big, small. Big, small. And in IsiXhosa, big is nkulu and small is ncinci. Big is nkulu, big, nkulu, and small is ncinci. Nini, small. Nini, chomi. Short. Short is mfuchane. Fuchane. Short. And what is the opposite of short, chomi? Yes! The opposite of short is tall. Tall. Mde. Mde. Tall. Mde, mde, tall, mde. So the opposite of short is tall. In IsiXhosa, short is mfuchane. The opposite of mfuchane is mde. If you are not mfuchane, you are going to be mde, chomi, mde. And when we grow up, we are going to be so mde, chomi. We are going to be so tall. Tommy, do you know what the opposite of above is? Yes, the opposite of above is below. Above, below. Above my face, below my face. Above my face, below my face. Show me. And in IsiXhosa, above is phezulu. Phezulu kobuso, and then below is ezantsi. Ezantsi kobuso. Phezulu kobuso, ezantsi kobuso. Phezulu kobuso, ezantsi kobuso. Chomi. In English, we say fast. Fast, 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 fast. I'm so tired. So now I'm going to go slow, 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 because I'm so tired. And then fast, 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 and slow, slow, slow. And in IsiXhosa, fast is khawuleza. Khawuleza. Let's be khawuleza. Khawuleza, 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 khawuleza. And then let's do slow. Ota. Slow is ota. Slow. Ota. 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 Khawuleza, 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 khawuleza. And then ota. 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 Slow. You tell me, Sis'Bongo is diniwe. Diniwe is tired.
Let's count.
Chubby, how many lions do you see in the picture? Let's count them in English. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 lions. 3 ngonyama. Now let's count ngesiXhosa in IsiXhosa. Inye, zimbini, zintathu. Yes, they are ntathu ngonyama. Ntathu ngonyama, chomi. Ntathu ngonyama is 3 lions. Ntathu ngonyama is 3 lions. Chomi, let us roar like the ngonyama, like the lion. Roar! Roar, Chomi. Roar! Yo, Chomi, you can really roar like ingonyama, Chomi. Lion, ingonyama. Chomi, how many giraffes are in the picture? Giraffe, idlulamthi, idlulamthi. Let's count them. Count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dlulamthi. Now let's count in IsiXhosa. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu, zinhlanu. They are nhlanu ndlulamthi. Indlulamthi ezinhlanu, chomi. Zingaphi? How many elephants do you see? Zingaphi indlovu? Elephant, indlovu. Indlovu that you see, chomi. Let's count. 1. Yes, there is 1 ndlovu. Let's count it in IsiXhosa. Nye. There is only nye ndlovu. Indlovu enye, chomi. Let's splash water like the elephant. Let's do it. amanzi, amanzi. Yo, chomi, Sis'Bongo, udiniwe. What is diniwe in English? Yes, chomi, Sis'Bongo is tired. In Afrikaans, it's moeg. Actually, Sis'Bongo is baya moeg, chomi. Oh. But chomi, I had so much fun talking to you guys. Yo, Sis'Bongo unithanda kakhulu, chomi. Yo, I hope you learned a lot today. Bye bye, chomi. Mwah, Puze. Mwah. I love you. Ndikuthanda kakhulu, chomi. Bye bye. Salani kakuhle. Sis'Bongo unithanda kakhulu. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye, chomi.
Well, thank you very much.
Multi-learning with Sis'Bongo. Multilingual mind learning 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 with Sis'Bongo.